Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to reset Google Chrome to default setting. Let's get started. So if you want to change your Google Chrome to default settings, what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser, now what you can do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top left corner of your screen and tap on settings which is on the bottom. Now after tapping on settings, now in the left side of your screen you can find this option which is reset settings. Just tap on reset settings. After tapping on reset settings, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is restore settings to their original defaults. Just tap on it and now you'll find the list of things that will be resetted. So now what you can do is just confirm that you would like to reset your Chrome just tapping on reset settings, and after tapping on reset settings, now your Chrome will be changed to its default settings. And just open up your new tab, and here you can see guys, my Chrome has been successfully resetted to its default settings. So that's it guys, this is how to change Chrome to its default settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.